Welcome to the weekly weather briefing for August 27th, 2018. The overview for the next week shows a few opportunities for precipitation, though the best threat was already winding down over the east early today. The week will also feature occasionally breezy conditions, and temperatures will be near to below normal. So what precipitation amounts fell over the past 24 hours? A good amount fell over portions of eastern Washington and Idaho, between a tenth to a half inch in many spots, and locally higher in a few locations. More limited precipitation fell over the central Washington and over the Cascades, where some of the bigger wildfires are. Still, even there, the changing weather helped to improve air quality. Here is a look at that air quality, greatly improved over the region, with most areas in the good category. Models show very limited smoke developing or spreading into the area as well, so in the near future, impact to air quality from smoke looks limited, with the main exceptions lingering near the ongoing wildfires. Here's a quick view of some of those active wildfires, with the bigger ones such as the Crescent Mountain and Cougar Creek within the Cascades. That is where the biggest smoke threat and air quality degradation threat may linger, outlined in this map. Given the recent precipitation and clearing tonight, this will be a good setup for the threat of fog. So the typical northeast valleys, including the Highway 95 corridor between Bonners Ferry to Sand Point into the Coeur d'Alene area, will see the potential for fog overnight and early Tuesday morning. We haven't seen that in a while. Today's shower threat has already wound down. The next wave moves into the region between late Wednesday and Thursday night. However, the precipitation looks more limited, with the deeper moisture and lift staying north of the Canadian border. Still, it will bring some risk to the Cascades and north and eastern mountains. Chances will be mainly in the Cascades Wednesday night before expanding eastward Thursday. Right now, precipitation amounts look light, generally less than a tenth of an inch. In some cases, only trace amounts may fall. There will also be a limited threat near the Canadian border Thursday afternoon for some thunderstorms in the area shaded in red, but these should be isolated, if any. A broader impact of the system passing between Wednesday and Thursday will be winds. This graphic shows the peak wind gusts between those 2 days. Wednesday looks like the breezier day, with sustained speeds around 10 to 20 miles per hour and gusts to 30, though some of the mountain valleys, especially in the north, will be more sheltered from these. Thursday will remain breezy, but overall speeds will be lower, with sustained around 5 to 15 miles per hour and gusts to 20 miles per hour or so. The weekend weather looks relatively quiet, with partly cloudy to clear conditions, some afternoon breeziness, and temperatures near normal. And we will see a limited shower threat returning to the mountains Sunday night into Monday. Here's a quick look at temperatures over the next week. They generally hover around or slightly below normal, with the warmest day around Wednesday and coolest Thursday and Friday. The 8 to 14 day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center shows the cool pattern continuing, with near normal precipitation to slightly above normal towards the Panhandle. Thank you for joining us for this weather briefing, and be sure to keep an eye on the forecast.